Until quite recently, ChatGPT and the OpenAI API had been restricted to receiving text data only. I did a series of videos on this a few months ago. However, there is now a new model called GPT4 Vision that allows you to send an image through the OpenAI API and get back answers and information about the image, describing it, giving it a title, and so on. In this video, I will give a quick demonstration of how to use this new model using Postman. I will send it an image of the Mona Lisa and see what the model tells me about it. So I'll open Postman and create a new post request. So this is the URL. I'll put this in the description together with the body of the request. Click headers. So I'm going to create a new key called content type. And then make that an application JSON content type. I need to create a key called authorization. And here you need to paste in your API key from OpenAI. I'll include a link to the OpenAI site in the description, which allows you to create a developer account. When you've done that, click on body, click on row, and make sure JSON is selected. So I'm going to paste in some text that I created earlier. So just to talk about a few of these settings. The first one is the model. So we're using the GPT4 Vision preview model. The type of data we want to work with is text. That's the return type. And the actual text that we want to send to the model is give me some information about this image. Down here is the type of image that we're sending. So in this case, it's an image URL, but you can also send the base 64 encoded data. In a subsequent video, I'll discuss how to do that, but for now, because it's a lot simpler, I'll just use an image URL type. And then here is the URL to a JPEG image. Okay, so with that in place, click send. So we've got a response. So going to the content of the response, you have provided an image of the Mona Lisa, one of the most famous and iconic paintings in the world, painted by the Italian artist Leonardo da Vinci. So it gives us a lot of information about the painting. The information up here, like I said, I've covered in a previous video, so I won't go into it now. So that worked quite well. So what I want to do now is restrict what information I receive back. So give me the artist's name and title of the image with no other information. See if that works. I'm going to select a different image. So see that the content, there's a lot less content now, but that's because I've instructed it to only give me the artist name and title. Artist Vincent van Gogh, title sunflowers. So that's how to use the new GPT Vision model. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. And thanks for watching.